Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that are trying to remove front bumper cover on a BMW 3 Series guys between year 2005 and year 2013. This should cover generation E90, E91, 92, 93 guys. If you need to remove or replace your front bumper cover, stay with us and we'll explain everything from start to finish. Now, before we start guys, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop guys, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Specifically on this BMW 3 Series, we'll have guys close to 400-500 videos. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below, let us know if the video was helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy a new bumper cover, replacement parts, tools, anything that we use, we'll have all that shared in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So, we guys now have the one of the sides up, jacked up. On this side you can do both, always use a jack stand as well, never rely on the jack itself. We even have a wood block under the tire, so if something terribly wrong happens guys, we can actually rely on it to save us, and that way it's not going to crash us under the car. So now we need to remove quite a few things here. Engine under cover. So stay with us, we'll show you guys how we're going to do that. We're collecting all the tools, that's what it looks like. We have an oil leak that we'll be fixing as well guys. As I said, we will have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, and on a 3 Series BMW we will have probably close to maybe guys 400 to 500 videos. So collecting all the tools and we're ready to continue. So 16mm socket guys, we're going to remove that metal plate now right there. I think it has 4 or 8, I cannot see, bolts. It's very important guys, this is the lower support, so always install this one guys. You can see how heavy duty it is. This is because it's actually part of the suspension system, and without that thing you can have some flex in the suspension, which will make the car not as stable as it should be, and even in crash tests and things like that it will not perform as it should. So everything's pretty loose, and we'll get the intake the electric impact wrench. We'll go ahead and remove the 6 bolts. That's what the bolt looks like. And there will be quite a bit of oil leak there too, so we definitely need to address that guys. Last one. Alright. This one is out, let's pull it out now. Okay, that's what it looks like. You can see, and that's where the 6 bolts are located. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts. So we're getting the tools guys. This is, what is that, 8mm socket. And we're going to start this on the very front left side, passenger side. Right in front of the tire, you can see this is the bumper. Right there. We need to remove a few screws. Second one. Looks like there is one right there in front of the control arm. Perfect, 3. Now towards the back. Now we will have one little piece missing guys, and we will explain. Make sure to stay until the end, because actually our one of the corners is broken. But we'll explain about all that as we go. Perfect. Now we're going to go on this side right here. This is right in the almost in the middle of the car. Yep, you can see this is the bumper, the kidneys here. We're all the way towards the back, on the driver's side now. And we're doing exactly the same thing that we did earlier. And we have two that mount toward the bumper, guys. Okay, right here. Two of them. Make sure you use eye protection glasses because you have dust and dirt dropping on your eyes, guys. So, okay, right here. Okay, one screw right here. We forgot one right there. Okay, because it's holding something. Those in the middle. It's some plastic, I think, for the radiator. And it actually came out here, that plastic that we talked about. Maybe it attaches to this one. We'll see how it goes. Okay, and this is the bottom engine cover, guys. Everything came out of there. Okay, you can see just like that. So this is it, guys. So the screws that we had to remove, okay, two on the front, you can see we had 1, 2, 3 in the middle that were holding that piece in place. Then we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, did we have one here? Nope. 3, 4 right there, guys, and you may even have a fifth one over there towards the back. And now we're going to come on this side, and you're going to have here, 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 and we have one here, and we have one missing. Okay, we should have one more piece missing. We have one more screw, but ours is broken. You can see the corner is just broken a little bit. So definitely, guys, okay, definitely that's how you remove it. And if you finish your Nesquik box, you can always use it to store your screws and bolts. If you want to see where we got ours, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, guys. Just kidding. So that's how you guys remove that cover now. So once you guys loosen the bottom cover, or you remove the bottom cover all the way, you need to get 8mm socket. Okay, let me come on this side now so I can show you. You come on the passenger side, okay, and there is one bolt with 8mm socket that you have to remove. Okay, right there, guys, one screw. So it is coming off a little bit slow, but eventually it is. Okay, perfect. Let's show you what the screw looks like. Okay, right there. Now we have one like that, guys. Okay, you're supposed to have one more. Okay, right here, one more. We are missing it. So once you remove the second one, you'll be able to flip, okay, the fender liner, and you have one more bolt. Okay, that goes in an angle like that. 8mm again. Perfect. Now we're going to go on the driver's side, and we're going to do the same type of procedure to the driver's side, guys. Okay, right here now. So one bolt that we have right there. Try to see if I can turn the steering wheel a little bit, maybe. Okay, maybe a little bit more. I need to just... Nope, it's not coming out. Let's just... Oh, this is a 7, guys. This is actually a 7. Let's just push a little bit on the tire here, and I'm going to pull. The car is in the air, so we'll be able to gain a little bit more room. Okay, so let's see if it's a 7 or it's an 8. Nope, 8. Okay, perfect. Now you're going to have one more, as I said. Okay, give me 1 second now to focus right here. Ours is missing, and now we need to remove the fender liner a little bit, and there is that 8mm that we're going to remove. Okay, right there, and it goes in an angle more like that. Oh, a little bit less, I guess. Okay, just like that. So that's coming out. Perfect. Now on top we're going to have a few more bolts, guys. Okay, on the bottom, remember, you can remove the whole cover, or you can just loosen, guys, okay, these 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3, that hold the bumper. You don't even need to remove that bottom piece, it's up to you. You can just pre-loosen it if you want, just 3 screws on the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 1 in the center, 1 on each side. And then we come on top with the Torx, and we're going to remove this bolt now right here we're going to start. Okay, this looks like a Torx, what is it, 30? Torx 30 maybe, guys, and we'll remove this one, this, and this one over here. So once we remove those, I think we will not have much left, so we'll show you guys, okay, what needs to be done. So Torx 30, and removing the bolts one at a time. Now bolt number 3, and then we have bolt number 4 left, guys. Somebody mentioned about a drinking game every time I mention guys drink, guys, so I don't think that's a good idea. You'll get wasted pretty quick. Okay, perfect. Now let's see what else is holding our bumper in place, if it will come out or we have something else that's holding. So we'll just grab on this side a little bit. Okay, it is getting in the headlight here, from what it seems like. So let's see if there is another screw maybe there, something maybe it's holding. No screw. Let me see, because sometimes you have a double one. So you have one more screw on each side, guys, one here and one on the other side. He has 2 screws to keep it fixed, so you can, guys, align everything really nice when you put it together. We have a video how to paint the bumper, because this one has the carbon fiber. If you want to see how to paint the bumper, we'll have the video on the channel. We just wrapped it quick, guys, when we got it, because we didn't have time to paint it and we just wanted it. Okay, we even thought about wrapping the whole car, but we didn't. So the other bolt is right there. You're going to see it when you flip the fender liner. Just go ahead and remove the second bolt. That's what I like about BMWs. Most cars will have one bolt there. I forgot, I just thought about that one now. This is the second one, and having 2, guys, okay, when you install one, sometimes your bumper may look like that, maybe a little bit sideways, but having 2, okay, and you can see where they are. Okay, let me focus quick, one here, one over there. It makes things really easy to adjust. So we're going to do exactly the same thing on this side now. We'll go ahead, okay, and remove the one on this side. So let's go ahead there, do that, okay, and here on the bottom, guys, okay, we have a clip. Now this is a clip. Okay, you can see where the fender liner goes in the bumper. That's a clip, guys, that you're going to have here. In some cases you may have a screw. So okay, I guess 5 screws on the bottom that we had to remove. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. We still have one on the other side that we need to remove. We still have 1 screw, but let's go ahead and remove that. Perfect. And now let's come on this side. We have 1 more screw that we forgot underneath, and I think it's 8mm. Yep, same 8. Okay, right there, you can see this is it. We definitely need to remove that one now, because otherwise it will not come out. Perfect. Now let's see if anything else is holding in place, guys. Okay, now we need to disconnect. If you have the washing system, you need to disconnect your caps. You pull them up, pull up, hold the, okay, pull more up. I'll hold the washer, and one person, okay, will disconnect it, guys. You just spread it out on each side, then you gently release it. We have a video how to reconnect those. It's a little bit tricky, but it's doable. So let me focus just a little bit better once we pull that one up. pull more, I'll hold it, okay, just spread it, perfect, and gently release it, guys. Okay, and those are the caps. If you have the washing system, you have to disconnect those. If you don't worry about it, you'll be ready to go. So now, okay, we should be able to go ahead, grab that bumper. Oh, wait a minute, fog lights are still connected, guys, right here. So press on the thing. I'll go ahead and remove the bulb because I cannot do it with one hand, but you're supposed to press right here, okay, on each side, and disconnect the fog light. Now this one is all the way. Okay, we need to push it first in a little bit to release, and then okay, nope. Okay, let me pass the camera because I see where the clip is stuck. If it's stuck like that, it means that it's not going. Push it in until that thing releases and then get it out. Okay, you sometimes have to push in so you don't have tension on the clips, then push on the clips and pull the bulb out. And you can see the bumper came out, okay, just like that. So you can see, guys, that's how you remove the bumper cover on a BMW 3 Series E90 E91 E92 E93. Guys, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you guys have any recommendations for the channel, any good ideas, please leave a comment below so we can work more, guys, and we can actually save more people more money, guys. So that's the main goal of our channel. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Check out our other channels as well if you want to see electrical videos. This is our electrical car repair live channel. We have fuses, relays, diagnostics, codes, and things like that on that BMW there. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.